Today we will be discussing a very important topic, that is communication skill. This is very important in our life. Let us discuss its definition. Communication is the fundamental exchange of ideas, thoughts, and information between individuals or groups. It encompasses various forms, including verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual cues. Verbal. You can see in the picture spoken words and languages. The two people are talking. There is some language. Non-verbal. Body language, expression, and tone. Written, text, emails, and documents. Visual, images, charts, and presentations. The communication skill process. Effective communication is vital for personal and professional success. Poor communication can lead to significant losses, costing business over $1.2 trillion annually in the US. This presentation explores communication as a continuous interactive process that can be mastered to enhance all aspects of life. What is communication? Communication is the fundamental exchange of ideas, thoughts, and information between individuals or groups. It encompasses various forms including verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual cues. Verbal, spoken words and language; non-verbal, body language, expressions, and tone; written text, emails, and documents; visual images, charts, and presentation. The five steps of the communication process. Communication is a dynamic process involving distinct stages from conception to phrase feedback. Understanding these steps is crucial for effective message delivery and reception. Idea formation, encoding, channel selection, decoding, feedback. Idea formation, the sender conceptualizes the message. Encoding, message transformed into words or symbols. Channel, choosing the medium, email, a speech. Decoding, receiver interprets the message. Feedback, receiver's response completing the cycle. Active listening, key communication skills, active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing words, it's engaging with all senses. A remarkable 92% of communication is conveyed through non-verbal cues and tone of voice. Maintain consistent eye contact. Avoid distractions, both internal and external. Show engagement through nods and expressions. Reflect and clarify to confirm understanding. By practicing active listening, you ensure that the intended message is fully grasped, building a stronger connections and reducing misunderstanding. Verbal and non-verbal communication, both verbal and non-verbal elements play critical roles in conveying your message. Effective communication master both aspects. Verbal communication, use clear and concise language, avoid jargon, acronyms, and filter words, speak directly and to the point. Non-verbal, body language speaks volumes, posture, gestures, facial expressions convey emotions, tone of voice impacts message reception. Barriers to effective communication. Various obstacles can hinder effective communication, leading to misunderstandings. Recognizing these barriers is the first step towards overcoming them. Cultural differences, gesture, eye contact vary across cultures. Emotional bias, assumptions, and preconceived notions can distort messages. Physical distractions, noise, environment, poor channel choice. Unclear messages, ambiguity, and lack of specificity lead to misinterpretation. Preparing for effective communication. Strategic preparation is key to ensuring your message is received as intended. A well structured approach enhances clarity and impact. Definitional goals and audience. Clarity articulate your objective and who you are addressing. Research and anticipate, prepare for potential questions or objections from your audience. Structure your message, provide clear context, and use 2 to 5 concise bullet points for key information. Tips to improve communication skills. Continuous improvement in communication involves conscious efforts and self awareness. Incorporate these tips into your daily interactions. Be clear and concise. Deliver your message directly, less or often more. Watch your tone. Ensure your tone matches the message you intended to convey. Practice empathy. Understand and respect others' perspectives. Seek feedback. Use feedback to adapt and refine your communication style. Benefits of a strong communication skill. Mastering communication unlocks numerous advantages both personally and professionally. Builds trust, fosters stronger, more reliable relationships, increases productivity, leads to higher morale and efficiency in teams, enhance leadership, promotes career advancement and effective leadership, reduced conflict, minimizes misunderstanding, and resolves disputes faster. Summary. Master communication. Communication is a learned skill, continuously refined through practice. Prioritize clarity, active listening, and awareness of non-verbal cues. Preparation and seeking feedback are fundamental for success. Effective communication drives both personal growth and organizational success.